So I just got these wildflowers. Well, I got them about a month ago. I wanted something easy that I could just throw into a pot and not have to worry about or maintain. So I found these little wild seed blend that's native to Florida, since I live in Florida. And I just threw them in a flower pot on my patio, and they're just starting to bloom. But I'm super happy with them. They were really easy. Yeah, I just threw seeds in. I had to water them a couple times when it was dry, but Florida, we get a lot of rain. And yeah, I'm just looking for low maintenance things that make everything prettier. So if you're thinking about picking some seeds up and you're on the fence, I highly suggest. It's low maintenance, easy, and beautiful. I can't wait to see what other flowers come in the mix. As I know, I could see there's different types in here. So far I just have these orange ones. I'm not really sure what they are, but yeah, let's see what the other flowers come out as.